Hello and welcome to Market Psychology 101, where we look for value in the markets when there's fear and are cautious when there's greed. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum, and Ethereum is definitely making some good moves here, though we do have a couple things to be cautious of at the moment. First of all, I'll bring your attention to this trend line that Ethereum has been making, these series of higher lows. When Ethereum did break under it back in February and went down to about 1400, you can see that that trend line has now become resistance, and Ethereum with the candle wicks tagging that trend line. So this could be an area for a sell-off. We also have Ethereum, though we have a couple of green weeks here, and it is escaping the 618 as well as the 65. This is our macro golden pocket. When we zoom out and notice that Ethereum, we have this Fibonacci golden ratio indicator drawn from high to low. So Ethereum, as we zoom out, you can see there it is right at its 6.5. We do want to escape that. Now Ethereum in the past, it has tagged this 888 fib at around 4K a few times, and so getting above the trend line, step one, and that runs into the 786 as well. And we also have the 888 to contend with. When we add on our moving averages, something that I'm liking here with Ethereum, one of our lines in the sand for knowing whether an asset is bullish or bearish is being above its 50-week moving average. Now Ethereum has reclaimed that 50-week moving average, though we technically still need to see the entire weekly candle body close above that orange line, which is right at the 618. And you'll notice, as I was talking about that low 1400 before, that looks like a good area for a possible V-shaped recovery when Ethereum hit that 100-month moving average all the way down there at 1400. So as far as Ethereum goes right now, we want to see a candle body on the weekly close above the 618 and the 50-week moving average at around 25.75, and then we have this trend line to contend with, the trend line and the 786. So watch for some action between 3,000 and 3,400. And just something to keep in mind is that in the past, when Ethereum has really rocketed near the end of the cycles, it does near a 2x from the point that Bitcoin tops. So that Bitcoin rotation I keep talking about in the videos, when Bitcoin tops and all that capital rotates, the last two cycles, Ethereum has done almost a 2x from those points. So as you can imagine, we could see ETH getting up to 6K